Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In my video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 3 all-time favorite Thanksgiving side dish recipes that I make for my family each and every year. We're going to get started with this homemade cranberry sauce, and what you're going to need is a bag of fresh cranberries, some brown sugar, some orange juice and some water, some regular sugar, and some cinnamon. The first thing you're going to do is in your saucepan, you're going to add in the granulated sugar, the brown sugar, and your water and your orange juice, and bring that up to a boil. Once your liquid mixture over here comes to a boil, you're going to add in your bag of cranberries after you've rinsed them, and then you're going to add in your cinnamon to taste. Once all of this is in the pot, you're going to give it a good stir, and then you're going to want to bring it to a boil. Here's what it looks like once it reaches a boil, and you'll begin to start hearing these cranberries pop. At this point, you can lower it down to a simmer. Here are my cranberries simmering away. You're going to let them simmer for about 10 minutes, and these cranberries are going to pop and release pectin and give it that nice jelly texture that everybody loves. And after it is done simmering away, remove it from the heat and let it stand for about a half hour, and this is what it'll look like. It is so good. The next recipe I'm excited to share with you guys is this sweet potato casserole, and for the ingredients you're going to need 1 can of cut sweet potatoes, some brown sugar, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to need some mini marshmallows. Of course, I'll have the exact measurements for everything down below in the description box. So to start this off, you're going to drain your cut sweet potatoes, and then you're going to mash them to the consistency that you would like for your casserole. Once your sweet potatoes are mashed, you're going to go ahead and add in your egg, your melted butter, your brown sugar, your vanilla extract, and you're going to give everything a nice stir. You want this to be well combined, so no chunks of sugar or anything, so make sure you give it a nice stir until it looks like everything is combined equally. Once it's ready, you're going to put it in a greased baking dish. I sprayed some spray coconut oil in mine, and you're going to be pouring this into the pan and then distributing it evenly around here like I'm doing with a spoon, just spreading it out. And then once I'm done, I'm putting it in my oven, which is preheated to 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes is done, you're going to take it out, and then you're going to sprinkle your mini marshmallows on top to cover the top, and then you'll be putting it back in that oven for about 10 minutes to get that top nice and roasty toasty, melted away, looking delicious. And this is what it looks like when it is done cooking. It is so sweet. It's perfect for a side dish or a dessert, to be completely honest. The last recipe I'll be sharing with you guys is this green bean casserole. And this is everything you're going to need: some milk, cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of cut green beans, some french fried onions, black pepper, soy sauce, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just using the squeezed garlic. So you're just going to mix all of this together. Really, I'm doing it in my baking dish just to cut down on dishes, but you're just going to mix your 2 cans of green beans in with the soup, the 1/3 a cup of the french fried onions, not the entire thing, and your minced garlic and black pepper. This is what it looks like once you mix that up. It's a little thick, so this is where the milk comes in. I just added 2 dashes of milk to get it to the consistency that I want it, and this is what it looks like before I'm putting it in my oven. I'm going to be baking it off now at 350 degrees also for 20 minutes. It has the same bake time as the sweet potatoes. So at the 20-minute mark, you're going to remove it from the oven, and now you're going to be adding your 1 cup of French fried onions and then putting it back in the oven and baking it an additional 10 minutes just to get the top nice and crispy. I love baking this at the same time as the sweet potatoes if I'm able to, because they both have to go in at 350 for 20 minutes initially, and then they both have to come out for their toppings and then go back in for 10 minutes. So it's great to cook them both together, and it's easy on Thanksgiving. This is what it looks like all done. It is so delicious. The topping is nice and crispy, but everything else is nice and gooey underneath. It's delicious. This is our 3 recipes that we prepared today. I want to thank you for watching my video today. I hope that I inspired you to try some of these side dishes out for your Thanksgiving dinner this year. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. If you're new here, I would appreciate it so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.